Today I'm going to show you how to use mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time. It's quick and easy process, so let's get into the video. First, head over to the Play Store and search for Speedify. Once you find it, install the app and open it up. Now you will need to grant the old necessary permission to Speedify to get it up and running. Once you are looking to specify, no need to create an account. Just click on the icon at the top right corner. Here you will find the option to enable using both Wi-Fi and mobile data at once. Interrogate option. No, you are utilizing both connection at the same time for faster and more reliable internet. If you ever need to disable this feature, simply click on the option again and confirm your choice.